When you're house hunting in Las Cruces, it's tempting to buy an existing home where the landscaping is already lush and turnkey. But when you buy brand new, like we did here in Picacho Hills, you get a bit of a surprise. Builders finish the front yard to keep the neighborhood looking sharp, standard xeriscaping and gravel. But the moment you walk to the side or the back, it's a different story. It's nothing but dirt, rocks, and those dreaded goat heads, and plenty of construction debris left over from the build. In the high desert, dirt isn't just an eyesore, it's a liability. With our intense monsoon rains, if your grading isn't perfect, that water has nowhere to go but toward your foundation. I brought in a local crew to handle the heavy lifting. My yard was sloping toward the house and had a lot of extra soil. Over 2 days, using only 36-inch aluminum landscaping rakes and standard shovels, they graded the entire area. On the right side and back, they meticulously sloped the ground away from the foundation. On the left, they dug a dedicated ditch running the length of the house, from the front all the way to the stone wall. Those walls are common here, but they can act like a dam if you aren't careful. We made sure the ditch leads directly to a PVC drainage pipe at the base of the wall. Now, when the clouds open up, the water has a clear exit strategy to the arroyo. Wondering where all the water comes from? There are 8 of these canales, or what I call scuppers, protruding from the parapet wall. It's a traditional New Mexico architectural feature designed to move water away from the stucco. During a monsoon, water spews out, hits the ground, and splashes dirt back up onto the house. Some folks modify the canales by adding a leader head or a stretch of gutter in between them, and then they add downspouts. They can also use these canales for water harvesting. After the guys shaped up the yard, I had a week before the gravel arrived, so I used that time to make the yard dog-friendly. Even though I'd raked before the crew arrived, I still found plenty of rocks, and as I kept digging, I discovered nails, energy drinks, and even a circular saw blade buried in the dirt. It's amazing what gets left behind by the construction crews. I was tired of the dirt and really wanted some green, but I might have been getting ahead of myself. I picked up a bag of 3-in-1 grass seed and a hand-powered spreader. Unfortunately, I quickly realized this is not the best time of year for planting Bermuda grass in the high desert. My lack of landscaping knowledge was definitely showing. I spread it through the side and backyards, right up to the line where the gravel would go. The bag said to water it 3 times a day, which I did for a while before dropping to once a day. Now I'm just waiting for the rains and hoping for the best by next summer. The contractor is back with a helper to finish the side yard. First, we roll out the weed barrier fabric and stake it down with these heavy-duty staples. It's a critical step in the desert unless you want to spend your weekends fighting weeds. With the area covered, we just need the gravel to lock all of this fabric in place. The first load of gravel arrived in a dump trailer, which was pretty impressive to watch. Unfortunately, the contractor's helper had to go home sick. Maybe he saw the size of that pile of gravel and the heat of the day. I decided to jump in. Shoveling gravel is real work, and I haven't worked that hard since I retired from my sheet metal career. We teamed up, I loaded the wheelbarrows, and the contractor spread the gravel. After a couple of hours, the pile was gone, but we still had one more load to go. Day 2 and the second load of gravel is here. Fortunately, the helper's back, so I'm letting the young guys handle the heavy shoveling today. I'm still just as impressed with that very cool trailer as I was the first time. I just stayed busy with a broom, keeping the street clean and the pile corralled. Looking back, we saw resale houses with finished yards, but this house ticked all the other boxes. Most landscape contractors I called quoted $5,000 to $20,000, well over my budget. By hiring a smaller crew and doing some of the work myself, I found a solution that gets water away from the house for a fraction of the cost. The back and other side yards are still works in progress, but I'm thrilled that my feet won't get in the mud this monsoon season. This gravel is a total game changer. I'll have links in the description for the tools and products used today. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. And I do get a small commission, and your support means the world to me. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Check out MightyRuttzz.com for the companion article, and I'll see you on the next one. And remember, on Mighty Ruttzz, the best is yet to come.